Adhesive process is a very special process. It needs attention to protocols, skilled labor and skilled workforce. We are always improving the processes to support our customers.
صباح الخير. Guten Morgen. Bonjour. Good morning to all our viewers watching us from all around the world. We're back here again in another episode of the Better Made With Adhesive. But this time, we're in Egypt, a very exciting location. MCV, the top bus manufacturer in the Middle East and Africa. Did you know that the London double-decker buses are manufactured here in Egypt? I did not. Let's learn more about the connection between Sika and MCV. Follow me. Hi.
Hi.
I'm joined here with David and Mina. David, why did you choose MCV for an episode of Better Made With Adhesives?
You know, we like long-term partnerships, and that's what we have with MCV. They partnered with us for more than 15 years and working together from like first ideas, serial production, and also in the after sales. Mina, may you give our viewers an overview about who MCV is?
Of course, Dave. MCV stands for Manufacturing Commercial Vehicle. It was established in 1995, more than 25 years ago, by our entrepreneur, engineer Karim Gabbour. Our portfolio of products include a lot of buses, city buses, intercity buses, coaches, midi buses, and also special applications. One of our most iconic products is the London red double-decker bus. Our buses are on the roads in Europe, in the UK, in Asia Pacific, Africa, Middle East, and also the Arabian Gulf.
So the demand for more sustainable buses has also arrived on Sika's table. We have started to develop additional solutions beyond adhesives and sealants. So we have, for example, developed solutions for fire protection, as well as thermal management of batteries. Now, how did the electrification influence your designs at MCV?
That's an excellent question, David. The best person to answer this question would be my colleague, Magdi. So let's go and meet him.
Thank you. Hello, Magdi.
Hello.
Great to meet you. You got introduced by your colleagues as an expert who could tell us a little bit about how you changed the design of your electrical bus.
Okay, our design team take the challenge for weight reduction in our electric buses to maximize the range and minimize the energy consumption. Okay, our team approach was focusing in our body structure to minimize the weight. They try to make the structure with the minimum weight and also to use new material with lightweight. So we now using aluminum alloy for the exteriors, for the whole exterior, and also for the interior. Okay. We use lightweight formica for the side panels and for the roof finish and for the coupe panel. Okay. And also we change the bus floor from wood to new Alicore material with lightweight. You can see it here.
This is very light, huh?
Yeah.
There's a lot of weight you can save.
Yeah. And also there is another point our design team takes in their consideration, where they placed the battery set above the bus to optimize the weight distribution, to enhance the bus handling and efficiency.
I think that's very important if you have the battery on the roof.
Yes, yes, it's very important. Okay, let me show you where we use the Sika products in our sub-assembly process.
Very interested to see this.
Yeah, we use Sika in bonding the door panel and the glass, and also we use it in bonding the side glasses and the front windscreen also. Here we fix the side glasses. As you see, the process is running now, and we also fix the front windscreen and the most interior parts, the Formica, the ABS part, all the interior we use your product Sika Flex.
It's all bonded,
Yeah,
so
it's
the
all,
full bus
all,
is
all
bonded.
what I am telling you is bonding. After finishing the whole process, we place the bus in the shower test. This is part of our quality inspection gate to ensure that the bus is totally sealed. The bus stay for around 1 hour in this station to be pretty sure that there is no water ingress even in the harshest condition.
Okay. Yeah, your buses go to England.
Yeah.
Some of them, there is a lot of rain.
Yes.
So it's exciting to see how you're producing the buses here in Egypt. For me as well, it was very interesting learning to see how this cooperation between MCV and Sika evolved over the last 15 years. I personally had a very little contribution to this because I'm based in Switzerland and I came relatively late to the party. As Sika, we are very locally based. So while we are a Swiss company, we also have people in different markets. And also here in Egypt, we have a fantastic team supporting you on an everyday base. Yeah. So I would like to ask Samar to join us, who is basically doing the everyday support here for MCV in Egypt.
Hi, Magdi.
Hi.
So Samar, how do you support MCV?
We at Sika are always keen to do on-site training for our customer on new bonding techniques and bonding applications. To make our customer do their job more efficiently. Also, modernization is a big topic for new bus designs, using some unconventional materials. And here where we come and support with our corporate market engineers to use such substrates and its applications and bus. Also, we are relying on our regional lab for doing all necessary testing for substrates such as durability, compatibility, and adhesion.
So Samar, I know you do a great job here in Egypt supporting your customer. Why is that so important?
Adhesive process is a very special process. It needs attention to protocols, skilled labor and skilled workforce. We are always improving the processes to support our customers. I hope so. Yeah. Let's meet the rest of MCV team. Thank you, Magdi.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
David, Samir, and Mina. I hope you enjoyed our discussion so far. Now moving on, Hani. Thank you for joining us in this question. I heard you have been working with Sika for more than 15 years. How did the partnership evolve?
Our relationship with Sika started more than 15 years ago. MCV supply chain team usually focus on having a good and strong relationship with each supplier. Sika has been always supportive during global economic crisis, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. Sika excelled in this help and support, and we appreciate that. Adhesive materials is widely being used in most of our production stations inside MCV factory. Any shortage will affect directly the production lines and accordingly the productivity. Our partnership with Sika ensures a smooth supply chain channel. This channel enabled us to satisfy our local and global demands during manufacturing and after-sales phases. MCV is expanding, and we believe that Sika will meet our local and global demands.
It must be extremely rewarding for the Sika team to hear such a positive feedback. Now, coming to my one and last question. I've also heard that almost all city buses by 2030 will be electrical. In Europe, how fast do you think this transition will happen in other areas of the world?
In 2022, as Egyptians, we were very proud to participate in COP27. Its main focus was related to climate change. As MCV, we were even more proud to be participating with 110 electric buses, making us the main operator in this global event. This year, 2023, we also participated in COP28, which took place in UAE. This gives you an idea of how this whole area, the Middle East area, are thinking about making our environment more green.
Actually, Mina, hearing about those exciting projects you had in UAE and Egypt, with the new partnership you have with Volvo, do we also see loads of MCV buses in Europe soon?
Actually, David, that's a great question. Volvo and MCV have been in partnership for the last 20 years, actually more than 20 years. It's been nourishing. In September of this year, we just signed an agreement of building bus bodies on the Volvo chassis for city and intercity bus that will be only marketed for Europe.
Now, by going more into European markets, do you see additional specifications from European fleet owners?
Actually, David, all the European market is targeting the sustainability development goals. As a whole ecosystem, we have to evolve accordingly. So, to answer your question, yes, we see more and more evolution. We actually have one of our products, which is the C127. It's mainly tailored to the German market. And for all our portfolio, we're very proud to be using Sika in all our products.
That's great to hear. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What an amazing pleasure for me to be here today. Wow, MCV is a visionary company. David, Samir, thank you for joining us today. Hani, Mina, with this, I would like you to thank you for your hospitality and insight into your business. For our viewers, subscribe to our channel and our newsletter for future episodes of Better Made With Adhesives.